Since the inception of the hospital bed, one of the biggest challenges for caregivers and patients is safely getting in and out of bed. Until today, Med-Mizer has innovated a medical bed to solve this challenge for patients and caregivers. A bed that activates mobility, activates independence, activates safety, and activates comfort with the push of one button. Introducing the ActiveCare bed. The ActiveCare bed is a bed like no other. Now patients and caregivers can have independence and mobility with ultimate home-like comfort and amenities. The one-button SafeTurn exit is an exclusive feature that fully automates the bed to turn into a chair to allow the patient to safely enter and exit the bed. You can also use the built-in high-low as a stand assist, offer additional assistance and safety. The full chair position allows patients the ability to sit up in the ActiveCare bed for added comfort, eat a meal, watch TV, socialize with family, all while remaining comfortable in bed. The head of bed can articulate to almost 90 degrees with the assistance of roll back in place to alleviate shearing or friction in the lower back. With the ActiveCare bed, you can enjoy home-like features with wood aesthetics in multiple colors, hidden casters, night light, and USB charging to provide the ultimate home-like comfort and amenities. If you are looking for more advanced clinical features, the ActiveCare bed also comes with optional built-in scale, out-of-bed exit alarm and light, ability to communicate to a nurse call system, digital head-of-bed angle indicator, and Trendelenburg to create the most advanced residential-looking hospital bed yet. Your safety and independence no longer has to sacrifice quality and aesthetic. The ActiveCare bed from Med-Mizer.